Letter E.
Letter E.
Letter E.
Letter E.
Letter E.
Egg. Egg. As in egg. Is the sound of E. As in egg. Is the sound of E.
Children, let's meet Mrs. Pam, the mother hen.
I am a mother hen. Cluck, cluck. I can lay eggs. 1, 2, 3. 3 eggs.
What can Mrs. Pam do? Mrs. Pam can lay eggs. How many eggs are there? There are 3 eggs. Hen. Hen. Egg. Egg.
Mrs. Pam is a mother hen. Mrs. Pam is a mother hen. Mrs. Pam lays eggs for me. Many, many eggs for me. Mrs. Pam is a happy hen. Mrs. Pam is a happy hen. Mrs. Pam lays eggs for me. Many, many eggs for me. This is my coop. I can lay eggs. I have 3 eggs. They will hatch soon.
What are there in the coop? Hen. Eggs. One egg. 2 eggs. 3 eggs. A big hen. A small hen. 1 egg. 2 eggs. 3 eggs. A big hen. A small hen. This is an egg. It has a shell. It is nice to eat.
I Mrs. Pam, the mother hen. Cluck, cluck. I can lay eggs. Can you say cluck, cluck? What can you do?
Letter E.
Egg. Egg. Egg.
Hey, my friends! Can you tell me what you learned in this lesson? Thanks. Don't forget subscribe.